Here I have CUBOT Note 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can enable save location. So just like this you can switch this feature, and now with it's enabled, every photo and video you take will be marked with location where it was taken, basically. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.